My name is Randy Thornton. I had stem cells put in both of my knees about 6 months ago. I was on my way getting knee replacements in both of these, and I just didn't like the idea of being out of work for all that time. I mean, it was like a year before you can go back to work, and so I saw stem cells on Facebook actually. I had my wife do research, and she did research on it, so we decided to come in and talk to somebody. I was at the point where I couldn't get up steps at work anymore. I could not get down on my knees and get up. The pain was just excruciating pain, just stabbing pains in my knees. So I had stem cells done about, I don't know, 2-3 months into it, 3 months. I caught myself actually going upstairs without holding onto the handrails. I still had, I guess, tension is what you call my knees, not really pain, but everything was tight. You know, you almost like feel something growing in there. So it was pretty neat. But I'm 6 months into it now, and I have to say it's above what I even imagined where I would be right now. There's no pain, and they say it's even going to get better. So I got 6 more months to go before it's done. But that's where I am now. It's just, I'm just so excited about it. It just can't get any better.